Good morning. Alright, y'all, so we are heading to breakfast.
Good morning.
We have some cereal. Got some milk. We got beautiful fruit. They got a nice little fruit thing. Oatmeal. That. Y'all, so we got potatoes, more potatoes. There's bacon. Oops, sorry. And some omelets. Got a toaster, some toast. They don't have the Mickey waffle in the waffle maker that I've seen in other vlogs, so I'm kind of upset. This is what breakfast is looking like right now. Got a Western omelet, got some bacon, some red skin potatoes. I picked up this yogurt at first, but I don't eat peach yogurt. I definitely thought it was strawberry, but it's not. It's peach, so I'm not eating that. But I did get a strawberry banana. Got 2 drinks, got some orange juice, apple juice, my utensils, and I'm ready to eat. Y'all, I'm really upset because in videos that I've seen, they had the Mickey waffle, and I'm like, who doesn't come to Disney and not get a Mickey waffle? Like, I'm like, oh, and we get it at our hotel, so it's lit. Every other video I've seen the Mickey waffle, and I just asked the lady if they had Mickey waffle, and she said no. So I'm like, hopefully they'll have it another day while we're here, but they just don't have it today. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. But I'm about to eat and then get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so we are now leaving the room finally. It's 11:01. We're about to head to Seaworld, because we haven't been, well, I haven't been to Seaworld Orlando at all, but I did go to the Seaworld in Myrtle Beach, but I was very, very young. So we're about to head to Seaworld, see what they talking about. We just made it to Disney Springs. Y'all, this garage is so cute. Like, I like how they have the little lights up here, y'all. And it tells you like how many parking spots are available in each row. So like it says level 2 row 6 has 44 spots that are available, so you're not like running around the freaking garage trying to figure out where there's an open spot. So that is really dope. And if it's a red light, obviously there's a car there. Yeah, we're trying to make our way to the World of Disney store. The World of Disney got literally everything Disney that you need to find. We've made it, y'all. World of Disney. Let's get it. Let's see what they got up in here for us. Oh my God, this is like Disney heaven. Jesus. Everything Disney. There's so much. Y'all, these are so cute. Oh my God. This is so freaking cute, y'all. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my God, y'all, look at this. This is a cute freaking bag, bro. When I tell y'all it's hot and it's only, oh, it's 86 right now, y'all. 86 degrees. The high is supposed to be 93. It's only 12:27, so it's bound to get hotter. So we have made it to SeaWorld. Yeah, we just ate a little bit of something. We're in the park. We're walking through this penguin exhibit. I don't know what it is, but we're about to find out what it is now.
To begin our passage into a mysterious icy realm, Antarctica. Empire of the Penguin. In this frozen bridge of rock and snow, a gentle colony huddles together for warmth, community, and family.
Oh my God, look at the penguins. Oh my God. They're so cute. Y'all, it is freezing in here. Oh my God, it's cold and I got on a tank top. Oh, here we go. Yeah, when I tell y'all it's freezing in here right now, y'all, I can't do it, it's cold. Oh, yes, Lord. Whew. Okay. Y'all, we are waiting for the dolphins. It's lit. They about to go crazy. intro was so cute. Like, they're so adorable, huh? What? The dolphins are so adorable. Oh my god. I think dolphins just became my new favorite animal. They're so cute. Yeah, I just want to say thank God for this freaking app. Where it like directs you where to go. So it's like we're here trying to get to the stingrays to go all the way to the other side of the park. And it's literally like helping us, because without it, Lord Jesus, I don't know. Come here. Oh, he feel rubbery. Ew, he's slimy. Wait, but that was fun though. Hey. Oh, it's so slimy. We got 3 free tickets. Thank you. Look at God, y'all. We just got free tickets to come back anytime this week, bro. Within a week. Look at that, bro. So yeah, we had to take a seat for a little minute because baby, it is hot out here, okay? When I say it's hot out here, it is hot. We had to take a seat for a little minute, recuperate, recover, get our lives back together because baby, it's hot. But look, I didn't show y'all my little bottle. Well, we all got these bottles, but they're like so cute. Shark Encounter. Walk in front of my camera one more time. Long before dinosaurs, long before birds, long before humans, there were sharks. Dun, dun, dun. It's so pretty. Oh, ain't nothing here. Oh, yeah.
I think you left it in there. That's what I think.
Yeah, the decoration in here is crazy. Lionfish.
Come bueno, ella cocina todos los días. Ella cocina.
Jesus. Y'all, we got jigged.
This was a whole waste.
This was a waste, bro. We came to see sharks. We saw baby sharks. Seriously, we are done with SeaWorld for the day. It's about 5:06 right now. We're leaving the park, as y'all can see. Why you got to be so bright? Hey, y'all, we made it back to the car. Oh, Jesus. I look like a glazed honey bun right now, y'all. Oh my God. It's hot. It's hot. We're about to go get some food from somewhere and get back to our room and chill out. Alright, so we have made it back to the room. We got 2 things to eat because y'all know last night it took us like 2 hours to figure out what the freak we're gonna eat for dinner. So we said we're not having that again. So we got us some KFC here. And then we did also stop at Wawa. Got some sandwiches. So we got that. We got our KFC. We got a bunch of drinks in the fridge. And we're about to just chill out for the night. We've been in the park for a minute. About to eat, shower, get all comfy, and just relax for the rest of the night. Tomorrow we are going to Magic Kingdom. It's about to be lit, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog over here, but if I pick the camera back up, I might show y'all whatever else we do for the rest of the night, whatever the case may be. But I'm about to go eat, okay? And I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. All right, y'all, so let me just show y'all what I got real quick before I eat. Got me some mashed potatoes, you know, the little skimpy chicken that KFC always give you, the dry biscuit. I got my bev over here, don't try to play me, y'all. And I'm about to watch me Jocelyn's Cabaret, the reunion. I already watched Bad Boys Club. And that's how my night finna go. So if I pick up the camera, I'm gonna let y'all know. But right now, I'm about to eat. Y'all, it is pouring out here. It is pouring. Alright, you guys, so it's currently 10:11 at night. I think I'm gonna end the vlog off for today right here. We have a busy day tomorrow. Like I did say earlier, we're going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, so we need to be there. Trying to try to be there when the park opens at 9. Hopefully try to be there around 8:30, 8:45ish. So I'm gonna call it a night tonight. I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this lit vlog today. Stay tuned for more Disney vlogs. Stay tuned for more vlogs in general. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, share, most importantly subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications so you'll always get notified whenever I drop another video. And I'm gonna see y'all in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.